everyone, and welcome to Super Simple Excel Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the functions left, mid, right, and concatenate in Excel. I usually use these functions when I'm trying to rearrange data in Excel, when I'm working with raw data sets, and I am trying to surgically extract just some specific data while leaving the rest, and when I'm preparing to use the concatenate function. For this tutorial, I have exported some data which puts the date into the format of a 4-digit year, followed by a 2-digit month, followed by a 2-digit day. I want to change the format of this date to show as a 2-digit month slash 2-digit day slash 4-digit year. First, I'll show you how to use each function separately, and then we will put them all together using concatenate. B4 is the cell I want to extract data out of. The first thing I want to extract out of this cell is the 2-digit month. As I said, the 2-digit month is right in the middle of this value here. More specifically, this original date format is made up of 8 characters in total, 20190102. That's 8 characters in total. And the 2-digit month is represented by the 5th and 6th characters starting from your left. Let's type the formula we need right into the formula bar. We start the same way we start all formulas, with an equal sign. Then type the name of the function we want to use. To extract specific characters from the middle of a larger set of characters, we use the mid function. So type MID and open parentheses. Now Excel is going to show us what parameters the mid function requires us to input. First, we need to input what cell we are extracting data from. In this example, we are extracting data from cell B4. So we can type B4 or we can click on B4. Now type comma to get to the next parameter. Next, we need to tell Excel where we want to begin extracting data. Since we want to extract the 5th and 6th characters, we need to put the number 5 here, since we want to start at the 5th character starting from the left side. Now we need to tell Excel how many characters we want to extract. Type another comma to get to the next parameter. Again, we want the 5th and 6th characters, and that's a total of 2 characters. So we input the number 2 here. Close parentheses and hit enter. Let's quickly review what we did. Equal sign, mid is the name of our function, and within parentheses, we told Excel to look into cell B4, start with the 5th character from the left side, and extract a total of 2 characters. The result is 01, which is exactly what I wanted, the 2-digit month. I'm going to put a forward slash in this cell to make my concatenate function easier to use later. I'll just type a forward slash into the formula bar for that. Next, let's extract the 2-digit day. In cell B4, the 2-digit day is represented by the last 2 digits on the far right side of the value in the cell. So we will use a right formula. This formula is perfect for extracting the characters shown on the far right of a cell. Let's type the formula into the formula bar. Start with an equal sign, then type the word right, R-I-G-H-T, and open parenthesis. The right formula asks for a cell to look in. Again, this is going to be cell B4. Type a comma. Now we need to tell Excel how many characters to grab from the far right side of the cell. In our example, we want to grab the last 2 characters on the right. So we type the number 2, close parentheses, and hit enter. Let's again review what we just did. equal sign, the name of our function, in this case, the right function. Then we told Excel what cell to look into and how many characters to take from the far right side of that cell. The result is 02, which is exactly what I wanted, the 2-digit day. I'm going to put another / here, again to make the concatenate easier to use later. Finally, let's extract the last bit of data we want from cell B4, the 4-digit year. In cell B4, the 4-digit year is represented by the first 4 digits on the far left side of the cell. So we will use a left formula. This formula is used to extract the characters shown on the far left of a cell. Let's type the formula in the formula bar. Start as always with an equal sign, then type the word left, L-E-F-T, and open parenthesis. The left formula asks for a cell to look in. Again, this is going to be cell B4. Type your comma. Now Excel needs to know how many characters to grab from the left side of the cell. In our example, we want to grab the first 4 characters, so we type the number 4. Close parentheses and hit enter. Let's review. Equal sign, name of the function, left, and within parentheses, we told Excel to look into cell B4 and extract the first 4 characters on the left. The result is 2019, which is exactly what we wanted, the 4-digit year. Now that we've extracted all of the data we need, let's put it all together with a concatenate function. Concatenate is a great way to combine multiple values into one long text string. In the formula bar, type equal sign, concatenate, C-O-N-C-A-T-E-N-A-T-E, and open parenthesis. Now type out or click into the first cell that has the text you want, type a comma, click in the second cell that has text you want, type a comma, click in the third cell, you get the picture. So I will keep doing this until I select all of the cells with text that I want to combine. Then close parentheses and hit enter. You can see here that all of the text I selected is in one long text string and it looks exactly as I wanted. 2-digit month / 2-digit day / 4-digit year. Now I want to show you another way to perform a concatenate. In the formula bar, type equal sign, select the first cell you want to combine. Now type an ampersand. Select the second cell you want to combine and another ampersand. Keep going like this until you've selected all of the cells you want to combine. Then hit enter. I find this method using ampersands to be faster when I'm typing out really long or nested formulas. Now I will quickly show you how we can put all of the formulas together in one cell, which eliminates the need to create all of the helper cells we created before. This is something I do a lot in my intermediate and advanced videos. In the formula bar, type equal sign. Then type all of the formulas we created before, connecting them with ampersands like this. You see that whenever I want to add specific text that my formula result won't give me, I need to put it within quotation marks. So my forward slashes are going to be placed in quotation marks wherever they're needed. You can see I got the same result as I did before, but this time I put all of my formulas together in one cell. Lastly, Let's quickly fill all of the formulas down to the rest of the rows. The fastest way to do this is to select the cell or cells that you want to fill down and double-click on the square that appears in the bottom right-hand corner of the selected cell. You can also quickly fill down multiple cells at once by selecting the cells you want to fill down and double-clicking on the square that appears on the rightmost cell you selected. Now we have reformatted the date to our preferred format of 2-digit month / 2-digit day / 4-digit year for all rows. And you can see in this data set, it's a lot of rows. Hey guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you clicked on this video hoping to learn something that I didn't cover, please leave a comment to let me know how I can make this tutorial better. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment to tell me how you used it, and share this video with your friends and coworkers. If you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel and check out my other Excel tutorials. Bye for now.